Okay, so now let's start with the next question of exercise 13.2. Question number 2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. So let us make a cylinder, and to this cylinder there are two cones attached at its end like this. So this shape you have to make it in the beginning. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. So this is what is your diameter, and it is equal to 3 centimeter. The length is 12. So from here to here it is coming as 12 centimeter. Okay. Then if each cone has height of 2 centimeter, so this height is given as 2 centimeter. This side also height is 2 centimeter. Find the volume of the air contained in the model Richel made. Assume the other outer and the inner dimensions of the model to be nearly same. So air inside any model or anything means you have to find the volume of that particular shape. So let us understand the dimensions first. We know the diameter. Diameter is D, which is 3 centimeter, and therefore radius, which is R, is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. Okay, so now there are two heights that we know. One height is a height of cone, let it be h, that will be equal to 2 centimeter, and height of cylinder. Now you can see this is your height. Okay, so from 12 you subtract this 2 and this 2, let it be h1. So it will be 12 minus this 2 plus 2. ये दो height और ये दो height subtract होगा. So 12 minus 2 plus 2, 4. You will get h1 is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so now let's find the volume contained inside this shape. So volume of air in the model is equal to volume of air in the first cone that we have, then we have cylinder, and then we have the end cone also. So you can see there are two cones which are similar. So I will write volume of air in cone plus cone because they are similar. So it will be 2 times of cone plus cylinder. Okay, so now I will write 2 times of volume of cone. What is the volume of cone? Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is the height, and volume of cylinder is, it is pi r square h1. Okay, so I can see here I can take pi r square common. I will take it common and I will be left with 2 by 3 h for the first term and h1 for the second term. I know pi is 22 by 7 into r, we have got it as 3 by 2 r square. That means I will write it twice into 2 by 3 into height of h, that is the first one, is 2 plus h1 we have got it as 8. And now we will calculate, this will become 11 and this will become 11 into 3 into 3, that is 99 by 7, 99 by 14 for 7 to the 14 into this will become 4 by 3 plus 8 by 1. So if you calculate this, 99 by 14 into this is 3, this will become 4 plus 24. So 99 by 14 into 28 by 3, if you calculate, this will become 33 and this is 2. So you get 66 centimeter cube is the air of the volume of the air in the model. Okay, thank you.